Hello, welcome back a new video. In this video how to edit color grading in Lightroom Mobile. Open Lightroom Mobile. First to Basic Adjustments, select Light Panel. Exposure decrease to -1.24. Contrast to 12, and highlights 62. -28 to shadows. Whites to 27, and blacks to -18. Then select Curve Panel. Select Green. Following the steps. Done. Next step, go to Color Panel, and increase Vibrance 11. Select Mix Adjustment. And select Cyan Color, increase Hue to 94. Then select Next Color, Hue to 100, and 43 to Saturation, little increase Luminance to 14. Now select Purple, decrease Hue to -98, Saturation to 100. At last color Magenta, Hue to -84. Saturation bring up to 81, and luminance to 14. Done. Perfect. Next go to Effects Panel, select Split Tone Adjustment. In this adjustment for part of color grading, then highlights Hue to 324 and saturation value 66. Then shadows value Hue to 342, 11 to saturation. Done. Back to Effects, increase clarity to 27, dehaze to 15, and vignette down on -6. Finished. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you next video.